Nariman says, women say, Allah did not guide me yet to hijab, or I'm not convinced. Well, they have a problem with Islam. These women have a problem with Islam because Allah is not asking you or seeking your permission. Allah is commanding you. Either you say, I submit my will, so I'm a Muslimah, or you say, well, this is negotiable. Give me time to think it over. You're not a Muslim. Not that I'm saying that because you're not wearing hijab, you're a kafir. I'm talking about attitude. When you come and think that I have the right to reject whatever Allah has mandated because I'm not convinced. So I'm not convinced that stealing your wallet is haram. So it's okay, I can do that. No, Muslims submit. If you don't submit, you're not a true Muslim. Mehwish says, a similar question, but for girls and women who accept Islam, want to practice, but find problems resulting from that in their own household. So the parents are fighting, cursing, maybe physically abusing. What to do? In short, because we have like 30 seconds left, every person has his own test. So your test is with such abusive parents or family who do not endorse your hijab or approve of it. You could have another test of ovarian cancer or breast cancer, or you can live in a war-torn country where you find barrels of bombs falling and burning your family and you cannot do anything about it. You can be living in a place where is famine struck and you don't have water to feed your children or your siblings. You could be anywhere. So each person, Allah is giving a test according to their belief, and according to the result they will end up in paradise or in hell. So all what you can do is be diplomatic, be patient and tolerant, but remain steadfast on Islam. Do not compromise your religion, no matter how heavy and serious the pressure is. And with the grace of Allah, you will prevail because Allah is with you.